In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a title in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. To get started with our text layer, we want to go to the left of the sequence and click on the T icon. If you don't see this in your Premiere Pro, you can go up to the top where it says Graphics and Titles, go down to New Layer and select Text. For this example, I'm just going to use the shortcut here. Now with this selected, we can then go and hover over our program window and click anywhere in this window. We can then go ahead and type in our text. And once we've done this, we can head over to the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see this, you can go to Window and then go down to Essential Graphics and it will open up. In this window, we can then further customize our text layer. So I want to center align this, and I can do this by using the align and transform options. And then I want to change the font of this to Bebas New. You can then customize the size of it, realign it, and you can also change the color of it. Now Premiere Pro do have lots of other options to customize your titles, and I encourage you to explore these for your own brand. But that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.